I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our standard 11-ounce mug.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our 11-ounce white ceramic mug. This does have a nice handle on the side. Normally there is a sticker on the bottom of the mug, and let's get started.
Okay, we did our design using Photoshop, and we printed using our F570 sheet feeder. We printed on an 8.5 by 11, so we're just going to trim it up here. And then we're going to center it on the mug. And we'll adhere it on with our thermal tape. Be sure not to cross the tape over your image because it could cause discoloration. We're using our BJ 70 today with the standard 11-15 ounce, and we're pressing at 370 degrees for 250 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, remove your cup immediately.
We do have thermal gloves on hand just in case.
All right, and you'll remove your transfer while hot.
So now you have one personalized 11-ounce coffee mug. Again, this is a ceramic item. Anything else you want to add in there, Meredith?
Yes, if you do like our image that we used here, check out our digital marketplace at coastalbusiness.com.
And also be sure to check out our templates as well as instructions on coastalbusiness.com too. And we'll see you next time.